Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Rosemary Rogesio, 43 years old. I'm high school graduate, married, blessed with two daughters ages 16 and 8 years old. My first working experience here in the Philippines for 5 years. I served 6 members of family. My main duties are clean the house, washing clothes, ironing, and take care the kids. My second working experience in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, for 2 years. I served 5 members of family. My main duties are clean the house, washing clothes, ironing, take care the kids and newborn baby. If you will hire me, I will do my best to do all my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to finish my contract to work with you as long as you need me. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.